Hey guys, this is Amy here at 10thacrefarm.com, and so it's been a number of years since I made a video, mainly because we moved and we were changing homesteads, and we were doing a bunch of house projects that were necessary to improve water problems around the house and just get some things tightened and under control. And so I had to delay my idea of setting up my permaculture homestead. And for me, that means getting my hands in the dirt and designing a food producing system. And so I've been dreaming and designing on paper and planning for many years, and it's finally time for me to get busy working on those gardens. And I can't tell you how happy I am just to be able to have my hands in the soil and to stop dreaming on paper and to actually get started. It is about 95 degrees outside today. It's so hot, so I thought I would start by sort of introducing that inside, so I'm not in the sun. But I'm gonna take you outside now and show you what I've got done in my garden so far. So let's get going. So I just walked out the door of my sunroom, and you can see here, if I can get my camera to aim right, there we go. We've got 6 raised beds. Now this is just the start of a permaculture designed food producing system. The permaculture design that I have drafted up includes so many different things outside of a raised bed kitchen garden, but this kitchen garden is right outside the door, and I thought raised beds were perfect for that. And so I'm going to show you what I've got going on here in these garden beds. So the first thing we did is we got these beds leveled. So the frames are level. You could set a leveling device on top of the frame on any side of each of these beds, and it would be level. So you can see that the highest point in the bed is actually buried a bit. So even on this first bed here, the this shortest end here is actually about halfway in the ground, whereas this short end is the low point, and it is not buried at all. And so we got 6 frames measured out and put together, and then we set them down and leveled them, and then we had to dig out the clay. So the bottoms of these beds are completely level. All the soil was dug out so that the bottom is flat. So this is a sloped area, but the bottom of the bed matches the bottom of the frame all around it. So a flat bottom. And then I'm getting to work filling these beds. And so you see that I've got 2 beds here already done. And I'm excited to talk to you more about what I'm filling these beds with and why, and what I hope to accomplish. But stay tuned, and I will share more about this garden as it gets underway. Thanks for watching.